before we are proceeding to Ondo to reaffirm that there is no faction in the PDP. All this bit of suspension and what have you that we had, governors and NWC and indeed the caucus of the National Assembly and the BOT are here, and we have resolved everything. There is no faction, everything has reverted to status quo. And acting chairman Damagun, only the time that the governors and all the organs of the party will sit down and resolve other issues. There is no party that doesn't have problems. These are cleavages. These are the orders. Some of them are legal, and we don't want to preempt the outcome of legal procedures that are germane and they are on the ground. So whatever speculations and perceptions that have gone out, they are wrong. And of course, both parties have agreed, as a matter in the interest of the party, in the interest of Nigeria, to come back to the status quo even before they proceed for suspension and counter suspension.
Your Excellency, you said that everything referred back to status quo.
Yeah.
By implication, does it mean that the suspension from both parties have been lifted?
Yeah, that's what we have said. No suspension.
Is that the resolution reached by the Governors Forum?
Yes, that is the resolution.
Okay, so what message do you have for those who are, say, trying to foment trouble over this?
No, I'm telling them, my message on behalf of the governors is to remember that it is PDP we have, and the nation is our constituency. It is the most experienced party that has produced governments and good governance across since 1999, and we should make sacrifices, come together. Yes, we may have ill feelings here and there, but we should bury them. Our personal feelings should not be imputed to create perception outside that will seem to divide us.
Okay, are you telling us now that the neck of October 24th is sacrosanct and is going to hold?
The governors, the NWC and the BOT and the caucus will sit down and discuss the sacrosanctity of the next meeting on the 21st of this month.
The acting national chairman would like to hear from you. We have heard from the leader of the party, the chairman of the Governors Forum. Yeah. Are you okay with the resolution? Are you going to abide by that directive from the stakeholders in the party?
There is no any crisis in the party as far as I'm concerned. You know, in situations like that, people will want to cash in. Especially you, press. I want to warn you that you escalate things even where there are no crisis. So, as far as I'm concerned, the Governors Forum are our leaders, and they are the critical organ of this party. And when they speak, we have to look at it holistically and also about it.
So Your Excellency, your colleagues are welcome now back to the party. Ologunagba and Ajibade, are you going to accommodate them and work with them?
Have they left? They are in the party.
Sir, one message for the APC. The APC have been following this development. One message.